So the new online hybrid program is going to be something revolutionary that nobody has seen before. With it, we are going to incorporate the lectures and assignments that you would see in our residential program. We are making it so that students can watch the lectures over and over again, make sure they understand the content with the various assignments, and then allowing them to have that hands-on opportunity with that mobile nursing lab.
Well, outside of the classroom, we have a virtual lab and a mobile simulation van that'll be going throughout the state. So they're going to be checked off on their competencies. They'll be working on the mannequins, which are all computerized.
Which is going to be amazing because they're going to be set up like a hospital setting. And the fact that it's mobile really expands the opportunities of those communities that we can physically go to our students' location, so to speak, and allow them to engage in that high-fidelity simulation.
Well, healthcare in West Virginia is a little lagging behind as far as the number of nurses that are working here. So this is really going to increase the numbers to help healthcare and help access the patients that really need healthcare in the outlying communities.
Having the capability of taking simulation to the communities and allowing those communities to engage in that simulation is going to improve the lives of individuals in those communities throughout West Virginia.
We're going to be at the pillar of the entire United States because there's no other program quite like the one we're starting here.
And it's really important that people understand that simulation has been a part of our lives for a long time. I can make students and individuals more comfortable by having them engage in simulation, then my work is done.